What is programmable automation? Consider a CNC machine which is used to engrave on a copper workpiece. We can see that the tool is free to move over the workpiece. This is so because the path of the tool is pre-programmed in the CNC machine. One can observe that the automation of the process is done according to the sequence of operation. Such an automation is known as programmable automation. Programmable automation requires high investment in general-purpose equipment. It has lower production rate than fixed automation. The level of flexibility to deal with variations and changes in product configuration is high. It is most suitable for batch production. Also, the physical setup and part program needs to be changed between jobs. Thus, programmable automation is the system in which the sequence of operation can be changed according to the product configuration. The related term is